Intentional torts against property.
Trespass to land.
A trespass to land occurs whenever a person without permission enters onto, above, or below the surface of land that is owned by another, causes anything to enter onto that land, remains on the land, or permits anything to remain on it. For example, walking or driving on someone else's land, shooting a gun over the land, throwing rocks at the building, causing water to back up on someone else's land, and constructing a building so that part of it is on an adjoining landowner's property.
Trespass to personal property. Okay. Trespass to personal property. Whenever an individual unlawfully harms the personal property of another or otherwise interferes with the personal property owner's right to exclusive possession and enjoyment of that property. Example, if a student takes a classmate's business law book as the practical joke and hides it so that the owner is unable to find it for several days prior to exam, the student has engaged in a trespass to personal property.
Conversion. Conversion is defined as any act depriving an owner of personal property without that owner's permission and just cause. For example, if you buy stolen goods, even if you did not know the goods were stolen, the true owner can file a tort action against you. You must either return the property to the owner or pay the owner the full value of the property.
Disparagement of property. Disparagement of property. Disparagement of property occurs when economically injuries, falsehoods are made about another product or property, not about another reputation. Example, when company A makes a false statement of company B's products, when in fact company A knew that such a statement is untrue. As a result, company suffer an economical loss from it.
Review. Trespass to land is the invasion of another's real property without consent or privilege. Specific rights and duties apply once a person is expressly or impliedly established as a trespasser. Trespass to personal property is the unlawful damaging or interfering with the owner's right to use, possess, or enjoy his or her personal property. Conversion is wrongfully taking personal property from its rightful owner or possessor and placing it in the service of another. Disparagement of property is any economically injurious falsehood that is made about another's product or property, an inclusive term for the torts of slander of quality and slander of title.